Good day everyone, this is Mohit and you're watching Techstraya. Well, in this particular video, I'll be talking about the launch day experience of the Apple's iPhone 13 series here in Australia. Let's take a look. It was Friday, 24th of September 2021, and I couldn't sleep the night before because I was extremely excited. And my excitement was absolutely visible when I was standing in the queue, waiting in the queue with all the crowd applauding all around. Well, I got lucky because I was the first one to pick up this iPhone 13 Pro Max from this Apple store.
Right.
So first in the line, what's your name?
My name is Mohit.
Mohit. And you're every year first in the line?
Absolutely. Every year, first in the line, first day, first show. That's what I believe in.
Oh, awesome. So when is the first year when you actually started waiting in the line?
Well, I reckon I started with this particular queue modeling and all from iPhone 6, I reckon.
Okay.
And since then, it was like no looking back and all. In the past, I've been actually in the queues and all for long. But again, I've decided that no. Every year it's gonna be the first, so that's it.
What's your favorite iPhone?
What's my favorite iPhone?
Yes.
Well, that's the one that I'm picking up today.
No.
That's the iPhone 13 Pro Max.
It's a good promotion. He's a good promo for Apple.
Absolutely, yes.
Good
However, the major introduction with amazing features actually happened last year, and that was the 12 Pro series. That was pretty amazing with the MagSafe, with the 5G, the speeds going crazy for the Wi-Fi and for the 5G and all. That drive nuts. So that was pretty amazing. This time, it's the cinematic view and the ProRes. That's it, and the 120 Hz.
So are you coming for 40 next year?
110%, no doubts. You know why? I have a logical reasoning for that. Remember, as a trend, as a pattern, Apple launches amazing features every 2 years. When was the biggest feature that got introduced? Last year. When is going to be the next best? Next year.
True.
That's it, 100%, no doubts about it.
But you need to be careful next year. I might actually come earlier.
All right, buddy. Right, buddy. You're giving me some goals. I'm up for that particular competition. Alrighty. Okay, that's a tag between Sasha and Mohit. Alright.
Next year camping. You need to camp.
Next year, I'll be before Sasha for sure. 100%, no doubts about it.